I'm going to go back into program mode. The USB stick on here, right above the door. This is how you take this key and take it to the next truck, okay? So once we've saved it from the main operation screen by pressing the USB and transferring it to the stick, you come to the USB icon here in program mode, you touch on it. Now it shows us everything that's on that program key. So you can go through and you can find the truck. I have not saved this information since we just did the program yet, but it would look like this Troy 441, which was in there previous before we actually did the calibration. But you touch on it and highlight it, then it'll bounce you out of this screen back to this screen here. It's going to tell you across the icon it's going to load. Hit the door. When you exit the door, you power it off, turn it back on, it will load that program into the next truck. The one thing that will not load is your region and your truck ID number. So you'll have to go back in and plug that back in. That way, if a guy forgets to do that, when management runs a report to see how much salt use, you don't have three trucks in one report. So right now I'm going to save the information we calibrated to the truck just by pressing here. That'll save the program information we did to the stick. So now this truck is on the stick.
What's it called? What did you name
It's Troy 441.
it?
Yep. And I want to make sure it overrode the previous program.
These settings aren't the same on each truck now, are they?
Some of it will be, the calibration number is going to be close or should be close, but you're going to definitely want to null each truck individually.
Okay.
Just for motor wear and good motors, bad motors. Let me go back in here and check this. Yep, it put it back in.
Put it right back in the truck.
Yep,
441.
it overrode what was there before.